Across Vietnam's dry countryside, abandoned farmland waits for a second chance.
Every successful agricultural transformation begins with understanding the land itself. We'll need to adjust the irrigation lines here. Yes, the topography shows a slight gradient.
The soil reveals years of neglect, but also the potential for remarkable recovery.
Reliable water will determine whether this barren landscape can support life once again. Months of engineering and planning are carefully condensed into one ambitious blueprint. The first visible transformation begins with clearing decades of unmanaged vegetation. Thousands of stones must be removed before the soil can begin its journey back to productivity. Heavy equipment reshapes the surface with precision, preparing the foundation for modern farming. Order gradually replaces abandonment as the landscape begins to change. The abandoned land is finally prepared for the next stage of its remarkable transformation into a modern watermelon farm. With the land restored, permanent infrastructure begins to take shape, creating the backbone of a modern farm. Reliable farm roads allow machinery to operate efficiently throughout every growing season.
Chắc chắn là cái độ dốc này ổn. Chúng ta cần kiểm tra lại độ sâu chỗ này. Water storage becomes the farm's greatest investment in long-term productivity.
Deep beneath the surface lies the reliable water source needed to sustain future harvests. Every component is carefully connected into a single integrated irrigation network. Hidden beneath the soil, modern infrastructure quietly prepares to support thousands of future plants. Precision irrigation delivers water directly to the roots while minimizing every unnecessary drop. A successful pressure test confirms that every future watermelon plant will receive a dependable water supply. What was once empty land now possesses the essential infrastructure of a modern agricultural enterprise. The foundation is complete. The land is finally ready to begin producing one of Vietnam's most valuable summer crops. With water secured, attention now turns to creating the perfect growing environment beneath the soil. Organic matter restores fertility, bringing life back to soil that once seemed beyond recovery. Careful soil preparation ensures nutrients are distributed evenly throughout the future planting area. Raised beds improve drainage, encourage healthy root systems, and simplify future irrigation. Uniform planting beds provide the consistency required for large-scale commercial farming. Plastic mulch conserves moisture, suppresses weeds, and creates ideal growing conditions for watermelon vines. The field is now fully prepared for one of the most important moments of the entire project. Only carefully selected seedlings are chosen to begin the first commercial planting. Modern transplanting equipment dramatically improves both efficiency and planting accuracy. For the first time, life returns to a landscape that stood abandoned for many years.
The first signs of success appear as thousands of young watermelon plants begin establishing themselves across the once barren landscape.
Soil moisture is low, increasing to 60%.
Acknowledged. Drip schedule adjusted accordingly.
Plant health remains excellent, just as
Precision irrigation supplies every root with exactly the amount of water it requires. Nutrients are delivered directly to the root zone, maximizing efficiency while reducing waste. Within weeks, healthy vines begin covering the landscape with vibrant green growth.
Routine maintenance protects the crop and ensures every plant receives equal growing conditions.
The abandoned field has now become a living agricultural ecosystem supported by modern engineering.
The appearance of thousands of blossoms marks the beginning of fruit production.
We check the blossoms to make sure the bees are doing their job.
Hidden beneath the foliage, the first fruits begin their remarkable journey toward maturity.
Only a few months ago, this land stood abandoned. Today, it has become one of the region's most promising watermelon farms.
As the vines mature, hundreds of thousands of young watermelons begin developing beneath the protective canopy.
The growth rate is on track.
And the water delivery system appears efficient.
Exactly. This row is responding well to the current regimen.
Balanced nutrition supports rapid fruit growth without wasting valuable water or fertilizer.
Simple traditional techniques remain essential, even on the most modern farms.
Uniform crop development reflects months of careful planning and consistent field management.
Protecting each fruit from excess moisture helps preserve quality throughout the growing season.
The once empty landscape is now filled with thousands of mature fruits approaching harvest.
The sugar content is at 10.5.
Not quite ready yet.
Continue monitoring this plot. Harvest timing is crucial.
With ripeness confirmed, preparations begin for one of the busiest days of the entire season.
Months of careful cultivation have transformed barren land into a thriving landscape, ready to deliver an abundant harvest.
Harvest day begins before sunrise, when every ripe watermelon is ready to leave the field. Each fruit is harvested with care to preserve both quality and appearance. Well-organized harvesting keeps the operation moving efficiently across every section of the farm. Fresh fruit is transported immediately to maintain maximum freshness and reduce field exposure. Across the entire farm, coordinated teams work together with remarkable precision.
Every watermelon is carefully cleaned before entering the grading process. Modern grading systems guarantee consistent quality for every shipment leaving the farm. Cold storage protects freshness before distribution begins across domestic and international markets. The final shipment is ready.
Confirm! Let's go!
Months of hard work now begin their final journey from the farm to consumers.
From abandoned dry land to a thriving agricultural enterprise, the transformation now stands complete.
The harvest may be over, but the success of a modern farm is measured far beyond a single growing season.
Every season provides valuable knowledge that helps improve the next harvest. Healthy agriculture depends on returning nutrients back to the soil after every harvest. Protecting the soil today ensures productive harvests for many years to come. Modern farming succeeds when technology and nature work together in balance. Knowledge passed from one generation to the next remains one of agriculture's greatest strengths. Every component now works together as one highly efficient farming system.
The pressure looks steady here. Good. Check the filter next. We'll need to calibrate the flow rate before planting.
Today, this once forgotten land supplies fresh produce while supporting rural communities across Vietnam. What began as abandoned dry land has become a lasting symbol of innovation, resilience, and the future of Vietnamese agriculture.
Beyond the harvest itself, this farm now creates opportunities for future generations of Vietnamese farmers. Today, productive agriculture and environmental stewardship exist side by side across this remarkable landscape. From abandoned dry land to a world-class watermelon farm, this extraordinary transformation stands as a powerful